Groundwater surveyors in Faridabad play a critical role in determining and keeping track of the region's groundwater resources quantity and quality. It is critical to have accurate and current information regarding groundwater levels and quality, given the rising demand for water brought on by population increase and industrial expansion. The procedures and tools used by groundwater surveyors to gather information on groundwater resources include drilling wells, setting up monitoring wells, performing pumping experiments, and testing water samples. They are able to make judgments for sustainable water management by using their skills and knowledge to comprehend the dynamics of groundwater systems. As a city that is growing quickly, Faridabad has trouble controlling its water supplies. In such a situation, the function of groundwater surveyors is even more crucial. By doing routine in determining and keeping track of the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in the area, groundwater surveyors in Faridabad are quite important. Having precise and current information regarding groundwater levels and quality is crucial, given the rising demand for water brought on by population increase and industrial expansion. Drilling wells, establishing monitoring wells, performing pumping tests, and analyzing water samples are just a few of the tools and procedures groundwater surveyors use to gather information on groundwater resources. Their skill and knowledge aid in comprehending the dynamics of groundwater systems and aid in making defensible choices for long-term water management. Faridabad, a city that is quickly growing, has trouble managing its water supplies. In such a situation, groundwater surveyors' roles become even more crucial. By carrying out routine, surveyors in Faridabad play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the region. With the increasing demand for water due to population growth and industrial expansion, it is essential to have accurate and up-to-date information about groundwater levels and quality. Groundwater surveyors use various techniques and equipment to collect data on groundwater resources, such as drilling wells, installing monitoring wells, conducting pumping tests, and analyzing water samples. Their expertise and knowledge help in understanding the dynamics of groundwater systems and making informed decisions for sustainable water management. Faridabad, being a rapidly developing city, faces challenges in managing its water resources. The role of groundwater surveyors becomes even more critical in such a scenario. By conducting regular surveys and assessments, they provide valuable insights into the state of groundwater reserves, including their availability, recharge potential, and vulnerability to contamination. This information helps in planning and implementing effective strategies for groundwater management, such as regulating extraction rates, promoting water conservation practices, and identifying suitable locations for recharge structures. One of the key aspects of groundwater surveying is the design of monitoring networks. SCON design, an important component of groundwater surveying in Faridabad, focuses on designing an efficient and representative network of monitoring wells. The design considers factors such as the hydrogeological